You need constructability, accuracy, and visibility. You don't need to be tied to one design and detailing software. With Trimble's VDC Pro Plus, you can build constructible models and empower project teams no matter what platform you work in. VDC Pro Plus provides everything you need to design, fabricate, plan, and collaborate on real-world constructible models, including design and detailing software, managed manufacturer digital content, our open collaboration tool with apps that bridge the gap between design and fabrication, analytics insights, and estimation software, all in one easy-to-manage subscription. VDC Pro Plus is flexible. Need to work in multiple detailing platforms? You can leverage Trimble's industry-leading detailing software with managed manufacturer digital content in our open collaboration tool, no matter which platform you're working in. VDC Pro Plus is connected. Share project information and use our best-in-class collaboration software, built for construction and accessible from any device. VDC Pro Plus is content-enabled. Create constructible models accurately and with confidence, knowing that the parts you're using are up to date to manufacturer specifications and loaded with managed labor and pricing values. With VDC Pro Plus, you get one subscription that allows you to save time, confidently model for constructability, increase team collaboration, and enhance pre-construction insight. Don't limit your workflows. Work the way you want to with VDC Pro Plus.